Hello class, we've been talking about our letter sounds. I'm going to say the letter and the letter sound, and the second time you'll do it with me. The letter A says ah. Now say it with me. The letter A says ah. The letter B says b. Now say it with me. The letter B says b. The letter C says k. Now say it with me. The letter C says k. The letter D says d. Now say it with me. The letter D says d. The letter E says eh. Now say it with me. The letter E says eh. The letter F says f. Now say it with me. The letter F says f. The letter G says g. Now say it with me. The letter G says g. The letter H says h. Now say it with me. The letter H says h. The letter I says eh. Now say it with me. The letter I says eh. The letter J says j. The letter J. Now say it with me. The letter J says j. The letter K says k. Now say it with me. The letter K says k. The letter L says woo. Now say it with me. The letter L says woo. The letter M says mm. Now say it with me. The letter M says mm. The letter N says mm. Now say it with me. The letter N says mm. The letter O says ah. Now say it with me. The letter O says ah. The letter P says p. Now say it with me. The letter P says p. The letter Q says qu. Now say it with me. The letter Q says qu. The letter R says Now say it with me. The letter R says The letter S says s. Now say it with me. The letter S says s. The letter T says t. Now say it with me. The letter T says t. The letter U says Now say it with me. The letter U says The letter V says v. Now say it with me. The letter V says v. The letter W says woo. Now say it with me. The letter W says woo. The letter X says x. Now say it with me. The letter X says x. The letter Y says yee. Now say it with me. The letter Y says yee. The letter Z says zzz. Now say it with me. The letter Z says zzz. Now you have said all your alphabet with your alphabet sounds.